Good morning from Montalbano, Elicona. I'm here a couple of hours. The highlight is of course the castle behind, but when I turn around you have really nice panorama too. So I will spend here a couple of hours and see what this is all about. I already been stopped twice by men asking what I'm doing here alone as a woman, and that's really common question when you get out from the big cities. It's quite unusual still in some parts of Sicily that women travel alone and can take care of themselves, and that's the way it is. I don't want any Italian comments of that. That's the way it is. So let's see what this little cute village is all about. Bye! Montalbano di Elicona is awarded as one of the most beautiful medieval villages in Italy, with 2,100 inhabitants located in province of Messina. The highlight is of course the castle in the old town, which I will explain in a new video. This was the summer residence of a very important king, Federico III of Sicily, and the original meaning of Montalbano can be the white mountain, Monte Bianco. When I travel, I like to visit other places than the typical tourist places, like this church, Chiesa Santa Caterina, that is original and nothing is restored.